Hi, today I will do a review very different than the other one. You have in front of me my three loved camera. The Lumix G9 I use with to take photo from far away. I use this one for picture. I do with in low light, and for vacation I use the GX9 with the 14140. It's a very good and small travel camera. But today I will not speak about camera. I will speak about what happened to me. I was diagnosed with cancer phase 4, meaning terminal. Doctors, I saw 4 different doctors and professors. Each one told me it's not possible to save me, it's too late, and I have a prognostic, a life expectancy between 6 months and 3 years. I prefer 3 years, of course. But I since 18 hours per day since 5 months, I read, I watch everything I can find about the cancer, and I hope I discover the way to save me. I will do now review for camera because I like that, and it was very helpful for me to think to something else than my cancer. But I want to help people who had the same problems than me. Then all my discover I will share with you, and I hope I will save me and I will save a lot of other people. What can I do? Today I do fasting. It's now my 7th day without eating and without drinking. Why? Because I have to evacuate all the sugar I have in my blood, because the cancer cells can live only in glucose and glutamine. It's what they eat. If it's true, I think I have a chance to be alive a long time to do more video for you. If it's not true, and if the cancer find a way to eat something else, I'm done. But I will try, I will continue to fight, and I will continue to live. To not mix everything, I will do another video in French and in English to explain what I start doing. And I repeat, I do it for everybody, not only for me. But I would like to ask you something very important. There are a lot of people who know that I use alias because I wanted to protect my family. Why? Because my grandchildren knows nothing about my cancer, and a lot of people from my family don't know, and I will not tell them if I have to die. Then please don't put my real name on comment and something and like this, something like this, because it will be a real pain from my kids. Thank you very much for your concern, and I will continue, I promise you, to do videos for the Lumix, Sony, and now I just get the small DX01 you can buy for almost nothing on Amazon. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.